In this video I'm going to show you how to do simple linear regression using your Sharp EL531X calculator, and this process works in a very similar way for all 531 series calculators. So for this example we're going to take this data set. So we've got x is 1, y is 3, and 2 and 5 and 3 and 7. Clearly this is going to be the equation y equals 2x plus 1, so we know what the result's going to be. Normally you'd be using regression to find a line of best fit. So we can do regression to get an equation from data. So we'll take this data and find an equation, which is going to be this, that models that line. So the equation is going to be in the form bx plus a. And so we've got the equation 2x plus 1, and by comparing this you can see that b is going to be 2 because it's a coefficient of x, and then you've got plus a and you've got plus 1 here, so a is clearly going to be 1. But let's do this on the calculator from the data. So the first thing we need to do is get the calculator into the correct mode. So we're going to be wanting it in stat 1, so mode, stat, and then we want stat 1, which is going to be the line, so we're entering 2 columns of data, that's why we want the line mode. We're doing linear regression. Next step, we're going to enter our data, so you can still see that at the top. So first point we're doing 1, then press second function, STO gets you the comma, notice the comma in orange, and then we want 3, and then m plus. So next point is 2, 5, so 2, second function, STO 5, m plus, and then 3, second function, STO 7, m plus. And you'll notice this dataset counter counts each bit of data that we've put in and is a very helpful check with large sets of data. Notice we've got 3 rows here, so we've got 3 in our data set. So you can just check that those match up. Now we're going to actually do the calculation, and to do this we need to access the statistics functions, which you get through this alpha button. So we're going to do alpha, and then the closed bracket gets us b, and then you press equals and you get 2 as we expected. And now we want a, obviously, so press alpha and then closed brackets, that gives us a. All the statistics functions on this calculator are in green, and they're accessed in the stats mode using the alpha button. And we'll press equals and we get a equals 1 as expected. This calculator can do other regressions such as quadratic, and you can get exponentials. So if you look at the calculator manual you'll see how to do those, and I may post a video on that at some point. But for now, thank you for